Welcome back. It's art time class. Today I'm joined by Buddy the Bird, and we are going to be talking about the Walk of Art contest. Let's get started. For this digital activity, you can use whatever apps you'd like. I'm going to be going ahead and using Google Drawings over here. Click on Add and go to Drawings. Now this contest is open to all. You can be an adult, a student, doesn't matter. You can work on this by yourself or with someone. It is totally up to you. I'm going to go ahead and find a picture. Let's see. I want to find a picture of fire. So I'm going to do a fiery design. Ooh, I like this one right at the top. This one's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and insert this fire picture, and I'm going to work off of this here. On top of it, I do want to go ahead and use some guidelines. So let's enter in some horizontal guidelines. Right away, I'm going to go back and edit my guidelines because I need a few more for my crosswalk. And I don't need any vertical ones. Let's go ahead and take care of that. And then horizontal, let's add some more horizontal lines. Just a few there. And I'm going to move these. Let's see if I can move my cursor. Let's see here. On select. Yes. There it is. All right. I'm going to move these guys. It's going to be my guideline for my crosswalk. And you don't have to work off a picture if you don't want to. It's totally up to you. I really love how Google Classroom and these Google Drawings, these got this ruler up here, so I can use the ruler on the side over here and the side over there to kind of measure out what I'm doing. And Google Drawing does a great job of trying to guess where it wants my line to be. It kind of gives me that blue line to show me these are kind of even together. Let's see right there. That means this needs to be, yes, okay, I like that. On top of this, I need to create, let's see, let's add our crosswalk. So first, let's make the background white. I'm going to make that white, and then I'm going to right click on the item and go to order. I'm going to send it all the way to the back, so it's in the back here. All right, let's add another shape. Let's see here, right here. And let's also make this white. And I don't want to outline, so let's make that transparent outline. Here we go. I'm going to copy and paste this in out there. Okay. Ooh, yes. I love the copy paste. It makes it so much easier. Now to copy, you can right click and click on copy right here, or you can do the Control C. And then again, you can right click, and to paste it down, you can do Control V, just like that. There we go. So here's like the fiery crosswalk idea. Whoop, let's move this up. Let's see, I kind of want it like that. Oh yeah, I like that. I guess I don't need this bottom part down here. Let's just pretend that's all erased and deleted. So here is my crosswalk idea. Now you can submit more than one crosswalk idea. I have like a rainbowy crosswalk idea that I really like because, you know, me gusta arcoiris. All right, guys, this is pretty exciting. Go ahead and team up if you'd like, or work on your own and submit as many as you want. I am going to take these to our local art association, and we're going to pick out the very best of the best that we are going to take to the city council to see about making into actual graffiti on crosswalks in our very own downtown area. So this is a super exciting chance to get your art displayed downtown. Till next time, guys, keep being creative.